Welcome to the How to Invest YouTube channel, where we are dedicated to helping everyday people build wealth. We do that by teaching the strategies, frameworks, and methodologies of stock picking. Behind the scenes, we are a team of siblings. Day to day, we are researching publicly traded companies. Let's go ahead and meet the team.
Hi, I'm Jake, and I'm the Chief Investment Officer here at How to Invest. I started investing in 2019, shortly after I dropped out of college because I decided I wanted to do something real with my life. So I took $20,000 of savings and have now grown that into a multi-million-dollar portfolio. And now I invest my own portfolio in the How to Invest portfolio. And we want to teach everyone how to reach financial freedom and hopefully eventually, if I continue to be successful in my investing, launch a public holding company.
I'm Aaron. I'm a stock analyst and advisor to Jake. I'm also the face you'll be seeing here on the channel, breaking down all the data. And then I also manage my own six-figure portfolio.
I'm Abby. I am the thumbnail creator, the shorts editor, and the social media manager.
My name is Nate. I edit the videos and manage the channel, as well as manage my own personal investment portfolio.
We've been building wealth through digging deep into the fundamentals that actually drive business value. While we were building that wealth, we realized we wanted to open source our research. We wanted to pull back the curtain on how we are building that wealth. We want to help everybody from every background benefit from the great democratization of wealth building that is the US economy. Here, we will share the strategies that we've learned and used from legendary investors like Warren Buffett, Peter Lynch, and many other greats. Our ultimate goal is to teach people how to invest, like our name suggests, not tell them what to invest in. It's the same methodology of teaching a person how to fish instead of handing out fish. We do that through three pillars. One, transparency. You see exactly how we research stocks, from thesis to final evaluation. Two, we teach our methods. We share our models and we openly discuss our thought processes so you can learn from them and apply them to your own investing. And three, community. We encourage discussion, constructive criticism, and shared learning among retail investors. The best place to participate is in the comment section below and on X. You can find the link to our channel's X account and Jake's X account in the description. Now, how do you actually use our content? Keep in mind, we are not registered investment advisors, and these videos are not investment advice. You can think of them more as a jumping off point, a place where you can challenge your own investment conclusions, get informed about stocks, and hear about stocks we're excited about so that you can go and do your own due diligence and research on them further. Remember, your investments are yours alone, and you have to do your own due diligence and research. If you are a retail investor who doesn't have the time, interest, or ability to do your own due diligence and research on individual stocks, the most prudent thing you can do is not watch our channel. There are many other channels on index investing that you can go and watch and further educate yourself. Let me drive that point home. We explicitly do not want anyone trading stock, buying or selling based on one of our videos. But if you're ready to dig into the details and join a community that is dedicated to transparent research and education on stock picking, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next piece of open source research. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day.